quite an art. You're very good. Mine would always stop at the bottom before it had even got up.
I'll have more in on Friday.
I've the milk from the farm. Do I just put it down?
Where's Mr. Whittle?
It's going to be my job from now on. It's why I'm here.
I know it's why you're here. I don't want you in my shop.
I know. I've tried not to come in. I do as I'm told. If you tell me where to put it down, I'll do it and go.
You have such a sweet life. I've got 2 sons. I don't know where they are.
I know. I'm very sorry.
The whole world is more wicked and mad than is bearable.